to another video on Anamika's World of Science. Anamika here. On today's video, I have two things to say. First one is, today we are going to discuss some motivational speakers, motivational talkers to know more about motivation and to know some amazing factors, amazing stories on their life. Today we are going to discuss about APJ Abdul Kalam because when I put my Instagram story, 90% of the polling was on APJ, so I'm gonna do about APJ. Second one is, when I put the polling, continuously I got messages that, ma'am, please do something other than science or do something because we have so many doubts. Because on YouTube channels, we are seeing that there are so many YouTube videos on creepy apps. That is something very creepy, right? Creepy apps, so we need to know the reality, and we don't know any other channels who are doing such videos on reality and creepy apps. So ma'am, can you please do something for us? So I said, okay. That is the next video I will be doing. Okay. But today, we are going to discuss about APJ Abdul Kalam and some of his very humanity life factors in this video. So stay tuned to my channel Anamika's World of Science. If you're watching my channel for the first time, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for knowing more updates on Anamika's World of Science. So let's go.
Some people are beyond words could ever describe them. The missile man of his contribution to nation space and defense, or the people's president for his devotion towards the welfare of his people. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was one such person. Missile man of India serves as the 11th President of India between 2002 and 2007. Kalam has inspired millions through his philosophy of simple living and high thinking. He played a crucial role in the 1998 Pokhran II nuclear test. He is also associated with the Indian Space Program and Missile Development Program. APJ Abdul Kalam was very popular among kids. He often spoke to children.
Righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is harmony, there is an order in the nation. When there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world.
And the country's youth, inspiring them to think big in life. He also penned a number of books. He inspired to think big in life. He penned nearly 25 books like India 2020, Vision for his new millennium, Mission of India, a visionary of Indian youth. He died due to a cardiac arrest while delivering a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management IIM in Shillong in July 27, 2015. I present you some of his life incidents to motivate you guys and to uplift you, to inspire you. This video is contributed to the one and only APJ Abdul Kalam. Pranam. In this video, mainly I want to tell you that there were 5 main inspiring incidents in the life of APJ Abdul Kalam. The first incident in his life was a man who didn't accept any gift or favor. This is a story. When he once went to Erode to attend a function sponsored by Saubhagya Wet Grinders. On that occasion, they gave him a grinder as a gift. He refused to accept that gift because since he needed, it is insincere to pay for him. He then sent a person to the shop with a check of rupees 4,850 dated 25th August 2014. The managing director of the company was reluctant to receive money from Kalam and did not encash the check for over a month. A month later, we received a call from Kalam's office asking why the check has not been deposited. Further, Kalam directed them to deposit the check to avoid returning the grinder. The company agreed to deposit the check to avoid returning the grinder. The company agreed to deposit it, but they did not want to let go of the treasure and decided to keep the copy of the check. They got it scanned and have framed it. The very next day, they deposited the check and received a message from Kalam's office thanking them for doing this. Such a wonderful personality. Only Kalam can do such a thing. The second incident was once when the missile man rejected the suggestion to putting broken glasses on the walls of a building that needed to protect because broken glasses could be harmful for birds. This happened when Dr. Kalam was in the Defense Research Development Organization DRDO, and his team was discussing option of securing the perimeter of a building that needed protection. Dr. Kalam reportedly said that if we do it, birds will not be able to perch on the wall. Think of something else. Dr. Kalam even think of small birds and their life. The third incident was when he invited a cobbler and a small hotel owner as the presidential guest. When he was the president, Dr. Kalam was entitled to invite any two people as the presidential guest to Raj Bhavan of Kerala during his first visit to Trivandrum. He had spent a magnificent amount of time as a scientist in Trivandrum, and guess who he called? A roadside cobbler who was quite close to Dr. Kalam during his time in Kerala, and an owner of a very small hotel where Dr. Kalam used to have his meal. This gesture was more than enough to show his level of simplicity. The fourth incident was when a teammate of Dr. Kalam at DRDO couldn't take his children to an exhibition due to workload. Kalam surprised him and took the children instead. During a significant project, the workload was high. One of the 70 scientists working with them asked him if he could leave at 5:30 p.m. that evening, as he had promised to take his children to an exhibition. Dr. Kalam granted the permission. However, the scientist got busy with the work only to realize that it was 8:30. When he looked at this boss, he wasn't there. Guilty for his disappointed his kids. He went back home only to find that his kids weren't there. He asked his wife where they were. She replied, "You didn't know? Your manager came here at 5:15 p.m. to took the children to the exhibition." Dr. Kalam had been observing the scientist, and he realized that he was too busy with the work and might forget to reach home on time. So he decided to take the children to the exhibition instead. The last and final incident in Dr. Kalam's life, which utterly touched my heart, is when Dr. Kalam used to ride his own Thank you, God. A child had expressed this wonderful moment with the media as well. That is, it was the year 2005 and I was braving on onslaught of class 6 academic pressure. I happened to came across a book recommended by my elder brother. It was Wings of Fire by the Missile Man. A short and inspiring book. After completing it, I picked up my sketching pad and the book had Kalam's face sketched on it, and my immediate inspiration was this sketch. Within half an hour, I had sketched the exact image and was proudly showing it to my family. My mother got super excited when more than me and asked me to mail it to the president. I didn't take it seriously. In my defense, I said, "Yeah, mom, it's right. He is your father and he would be happy to be sketched from his grandchild." I walked away. Boom, boom, bam. 30 minutes later, I was trotted along my mother to post the sketch to the best address of this country, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Delhi. 20 days later, I got a letter from the President of India with my name on his envelope was delivered. A letter from the President of India with my name on the envelope was delivered. Being on cloud infinity is how I would definitely feel. Jumping and shouting, I ran to my mother, teared of the joy and trickled down my face. I opened the prized envelope with utmost care and found it was a small note. It said, "Dear Naman Narain, thank you so much for this nice drawing. Best wishes from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam." It was personally written and signed by him. These incidents prove why Kalam is widely loved and respected by everyone. You will continue to inspire us, sir. Dr. APJ, you will be always in our heart and you will continue to inspire us. Your deeds and devotion towards the kids and towards Mother India will be always be special. You will be always be special to each one of us, and you will be always in my heart. Not in just my heart, but you will be in everybody's heart. With so much love, I am ending this motivation. I hope this guy is the perfect one to begin my motivation with, because there is no one else better than him to get inspired. Which among the Kalam's attitude do you like the best? Do you know any other Kalam such inspirational stories? If you have anything, do put it in the comment box so that I can share it to everyone on my next video. If you want part 2 of Kalam's inspirational stories, do put it that as well in the comment box.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. And as a high recommendation or doing some to know the reality of certain apps, I'll be playing some games. And I must say something, I'm not a technical engineer. That is, it is just on based on algorithm. It's nothing just but algorithm. So as I have pre-planned, I'll be doing Spirit Board app. It's just like this thing. You can see here. This is that app, Spirit Board. I'll be just playing this game and showing that it's just an algorithm. Because there's nothing. It is not haunted or it is not creepy. So this app is just based on algorithm, and don't worry guys, I'm fine here. So stay tuned to Anamika's World of Science to know what science is behind this game. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and if you have any comment on this video, you can either comment it on my Instagram page ID. My Instagram page ID is @krish122000, or either you can comment down. I'll be happy to message you as well. So stay tuned to my channel, Amita's World website. Till the next video on creepy apps. Bye.